Oh, hello, my name's Martin Agas.
Please could you tell me a bit about your patient journey?
Yes, I've been coming to Croft House Dental Surgery for about 30 years, but my dentist of long standing retired and the current two dentists took it over. I came along for a checkup and had a very thorough examination, but unfortunately quite soon afterwards I developed a dental abscess, and a few months after that yet another one. And I was advised to have some treatment for that, of course, and rather to my surprise, I needed to have some teeth removed, and it was suggested that perhaps the best way ahead might be dental implants, or a plate, but I elected to have the dental implants.
Can you tell me a bit about the implants, please?
I've always been a sort of rather cautious person and not really had much in the way of ambitious treatment. But on this occasion I thought, well, I do still want to enjoy my food and enjoy a normal standard of living, and so I'll opt for the implants. And I've had 4 implants. It took a few months to have them inserted, and I've had to learn a whole new way of looking after my teeth, so to preserve the implants and make sure they don't become infected. But I'm really delighted with the result. I don't have any discomfort with the implants. I eat a totally natural diet. My gums are in particular in much better condition than they were, and I feel that I've achieved a very high standard of dental hygiene and dental health as a result. So I'm really delighted with the treatment I've had here. The result is excellent, and I'm delighted with it.
Please could you talk a bit about your experience having a 3D scan?
Yeah, I was shown the results. I had a good look at the results, and it gave me an excellent, and my dentist, an excellent view of my jaw and my teeth. So it was very helpful. And in fact, it did show there'd been quite a lot of bone loss where the abscess had been. I had a chronic abscess, been there for some time, and the bone had eroded. And of course, that was a very important factor in guiding my decision to have the implants.
Please could you tell me about how you found your treatment with the specialist Mohit?
Dr. Dab was very thorough, very attentive, very efficient. I quickly developed a great sense of confidence in his ability, and continue, of course, to appreciate his skill in providing me with the implants.
Please could you tell me a bit about your experience with the hygienist?
I've always been a bit suspicious of hygienists, and I've never visited one before I came to the practice here, or till it was taken over. But I found her to be, again, very thorough in her review of my teeth, but also taught me a lot more about looking after the teeth, particularly use of interdental brushes, how to floss, generally how to manage dental care.
Could you just tell me a bit about being an NHS patient here at Croft House?
Yeah, well, I've had excellent care both as an NHS patient and also with the implants. Of course, they had to be provided privately, but the service is identical. I've had no difference, whether private or NHS, I've been treated in just the same way by everyone from the receptionist through to the dental staff.